Today I will be sharing 72 video ideas that have a very high chance of blowing up your channel. Okay guys, my name is Cassie and I have been doing YouTube now for a hot minute.
Hey guys, it's Cassie again, and today I am going to do a DIY video for spring, yay!
And over the years, I have always struggled finding YouTube video ideas, videos that are relevant, that are trendy, that are gonna get a lot of views, etc. All of these things. And I know I am not the only person who struggles with this. Well, at least I hope I'm not the only person, because that would be kind of awkward. So because of that, I have taken it upon myself to do all of the researching, all of the analytical side of finding a YouTube video idea, and I'm gonna share them with you guys. Today, I will be sharing 72 video ideas that have a very high chance of blowing up your channel. I know some of you guys might be skeptical, like, Cassie, how do you know this is going to blow up? Well, I don't know for sure. I don't. I really don't. But I have researched a ton of channels and I look at what their most popular videos are, and then I have compiled it on this notebook. Yay! I need to stop rambling. Nobody wants to hear this. Okay. Let's get started. You could do a video where your guy friends help choose your outfits for a week, a video where your family chooses your outfits for a week, a video of you testing TikTok whipped coffee. Those are everywhere right now. Really, any video of you testing anything TikTok will do well. Pulling an all-nighter challenge, 24 hours in my blank challenge. This could be your room, which have a video on that. A brother does my makeup video, a quarantine favorites video, a what to do when you're bored video. Those are super popular right now because everybody's stuck at home. An outfits of the week video, quarantine edition, 10 life hacks for lazy people specifically, not just 10 life hacks in general. A what's on my iPhone video. I have no idea what's so special about these videos, but they always get views. Always. How I edit my YouTube videos, especially if you're really good at editing videos. How to find an aesthetic, or just how to be an aesthetic person in general. Going through everything in your closet and getting rid of clothes. Cleaning time lapses, just a whole video of you just deep cleaning your room with a bunch of time lapses. So satisfying, definitely try that. I drank a gallon of water for a week or a month, and these are the results. Trying to get flexible in a month. I really need to do that because I can't even touch my toes. So, need to get on that, Cassie, future Cassie. I know you're looking for videos. You really need to get on that. A workout routine. Trying to get TikTok famous in 24 hours or 1 week or a month or however long you want to do it. A real and raw but still aesthetic morning routine. I don't know why, but I feel like morning routines and just routines in general is like the queen of the lifestyle genre on YouTube. It just is. They always do well, so definitely give it a go. Trying everything on in my closet. School public interviews. Aesthetic audios for edits, basically just any background audios for YouTube videos. Those videos are super helpful and they usually do really well. Along the same lines, an aesthetic intro templates if you're really good at editing. A try on clothing haul. Has to be try on. It just does. I'm sorry. It really has to be. How to make basic outfits look cute, how to make basic outfits look aesthetic, etc. Going without social media for a week. Going undercover as a fan page for yourself or somebody else, doesn't really matter. Asking guys questions that girls are scared to ask. And this can go the opposite way for girls or guys. And this one can too. This was how to tell if a girl or guy likes you. A glowing up during quarantine videos. Those are so fun to watch and I really think you should do it. And if you do, let me know. I'll watch it. A get productive with me video. Pretending to be blank for a day, like a certain YouTuber or celebrity. Wearing only siblings clothing for a week. My first YouTube paycheck and how to get monetized. A prom dress shopping, or just a fancy dress shopping in general. Unboxing Apple products. I don't know why it's Apple specifically, but those just get the best views. Following a celebrity's morning routine. How to gain followers on Instagram. How to gain subscribers on YouTube. I have been talking way too much. I need a water break. I just do. Okay, let's get back into it. redecorating or transforming your room, closet staples you need to have, YouTube equipment that popular YouTubers use, so you can research all of the cameras YouTubers use and all of the equipment they use and let everybody know. Middle school makeup hacks. I feel like if you especially target middle schoolers, it might do better. Just a thought. Making homemade aesthetic stickers, Netflix movie/TV suggestions, bullet journal spreads or a bullet journal flip through, how to not procrastinate on school, especially online classes, how to de-stress. Everybody's kind of a little stressed right now, so it might be really helpful. This one kind of goes along with the last one, but it's how to deal with anxiety, a plan with me video. I DM'd this many celebrities challenge and you get to see how many people responded, a swapping lives with a sibling challenge, swapping lives with a best friend challenge, letting your friend vlog for a day and then editing the footage and putting it up on your channel. Those are always like crazy cool. I love those. Reacting to controversial opinions video. People love controversy. People love drama. So those are usually pretty popular. Productive things to do when you're bored. Decorating blank with stickers. So it could be decorating my water bottle, my laptop case, whatever you guys want to do. A what I got for my birthday video, a what I got for Christmas video, a makeup collection video, especially if you have a lot of makeup. And if you do have a lot of makeup and you want to get rid of some, do a going through / decluttering makeup collection. A boyfriend tag, babysitting younger siblings vlog, just complete chaos. Those are really entertaining. What it's like working at blank, so whether you work at like Starbucks or Brandy Melville or like any store, you can just say like what it's like working there. A Brandy Melville try on haul. Anything with the title Brandy Melville seems to do well these days. Waking up at 5 a.m. or basically just really early for a week. An aesthetic bucket list, so all of the things that you necessarily won't be able to do, but they're super aesthetic. A real summer bucket list, a bunch of things that like you can do at your house, really easy to do, and that are also fun. And the last one I have is YouTube video ideas, because that is currently the most popular video on my channel, so it might do well on yours too. Okay, that is all I have for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means a ton. I love you guys so much. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know you liked it, and leave a comment down below. I absolutely love talking to you guys, so leave a comment. And why not subscribe too while you're at it? If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. We'd love to have you. More content coming your way. Keep you entertained in these boring times. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!